Hey everyone, Scott here, coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf. Yes, you can work from home just 1 hour a day with this system, but first I want you to smash the subscribe, hit the bell, and I want you to ask yourself, do you want to start making $800 to $4,000 commissions that we close for you? Yes, we make them for you. We're going to go through this here. As you can see, this link is in the description. This is what we call list building. So when you get into this system, you're going to get the same page. You're going to be able to build your list on automation. Yes, everything's set up for you from the autoresponder to the pages. All right. So once you put I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Stay to the end. I got some mega bonuses for you. So stay till the end. All right. So now I want to make sure that you put your email address in here. That link is below. It's going to take you over to another page, which is what's called a bridge page. And you don't have to worry about any of this terminology because we're going to explode into a six-figure online income within the next 30 to 45 days of being consistent. Let me know in the comments if that works for you, all right? Because it's going to work for you if you follow what I'm doing. So after you watch this video here, which explains the whole business within 14 minutes, that's how simple it is, okay, folks? That's how simple it is. And it has generated me now over $100,000. Or close to it. I'm very close because I have my 50K trophy back there. And in just a short amount of time, a year generated me close to 1,000. Working part-time, okay? So after you watch this video, you're going to want to click here to view the OCM products. All right, and when you click here to products, it's going to come up right here. You're going to watch this video. Sometimes my internet is lagging here, so don't mind me. But you're going to watch this product video right here. It's 12 minutes. It explains the product, which is advertising. And you know why this is so good is everyone needs advertising, and we're the source for it. I even have a free way to advertise. We have everything you need right here in a leveraged part-time way. As you can see, we make the calls for you. So what happens is here, when you come to this page, after you review everything here, you're going to dial this 800 number. You're going to tell them Scott Darvid sent you, and you've seen this on a YouTube video. This way, they know I know where it came from, you know where it came from, and then we can get on board and you and I can connect, okay? Whoever, if you've decided to join this 1 hour a day business. I also have a side hustle hack on how to get leads from day one for free. That's going to be in the description below, okay? This is by far the easiest way. Carol, loving the system, all right? And I want to go over two bonuses. These are not my personal bonuses. These are the company bonuses. Bonus number one, you do not need to speak to anyone. We do all of the selling and telling for you. Bonus number two, we make the sales for you. You keep 100% of the commission, just as if you sold it in your own store. If you had a store, someone came in and said, hey, I want you to advertise in the newspaper. Here's $400 or $1,000. That's the same concept as this, okay? Because you need to advertise your business, otherwise people are not going to see you, right? So that's the whole point. And as if you sold them yourself, and you can make level 1, 800, level 2, 2,400, level 3, $4,000 instantly to you. And these are instant and direct. The company doesn't touch your money. They only have a one-time admin. And this membership is a one-time payment, so you don't have to. Meaning you don't have to keep paying monthly fees. No monthly fees. Dan F. in Florida, 12,800 in just 4 days. He's cranking it out. So you might be thinking, what is the cost? What's going to cost when you have you and your sales team? Typically, it's 100%. Typically, the cost of having a sales team is expensive, but we're going to let you on a bargain price. We give you your sales for you 100% free. So they're not charging you. That's another bonus with the online consistent money system and how you can work this affiliate marketing business. All right? We're going to keep scrolling down over here and keep asking yourself, with $800, $2,400, or $4,000 per sale help you in your situation right now, whether it's firing your boss, which I know everyone does. I did it in 2016. Or you want to go on vacation, or you eventually want to fire that boss. I mean, you can use it for whatever you want. It's your money once you make it, right? Once the system makes it for you, like Kevin C. 6,400 in just 1 week, all right? So we're going to scroll down, right? Keep scrolling down here. This is Bob and his family. He's the owner of the Online Consistent Money System. I love I love the family because, especially Bob, because he's very intimate into his business. All right, and his admin team, he makes sure he has the right people connecting so everything goes the correct way. All right, you even here you have a click here for instructions. It's a list of instructions, and we even have 0% out of pocket financing if you qualify, or if you want to try to qualify, or if you just want to use other people's money to start your business. All right, and as I said at the end of this video, and I keep these short because this is really, really simple, I'm going to show you some bonuses that I'm going to give you. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go into my members area. And this is the members area. As you can see here, I am a diamond, okay? As you go into the members area here, you're going to welcome, start here. It's everything step by step, inch by inch, okay? So we're going to concentrate on the 1, 2, and 3 levels. So the gold membership, all right? What's the gold membership going to give you? The gold membership gives you 10% off of traffic for life, okay? 10% discount for life off of tier 1 traffic. That's $1 to $1.25. So, and I'm also going to send you, if you start at the gold, which is $1,000, $800 goes to the affiliate. The rest goes to the admin because they build your site. They do everything else to get you up and running. I'm going to send 100 clicks here, okay? I'm going to send you 100 clicks from and I'm going to send you, like I said, 100 clicks to the destination of your capture page that we do for you, just like this. So you have 100 people looking at your online business. And remember, folks, this only takes an hour a day, if that. And remember, we're closing all your sales. So just one person for big ticket, high ticket affiliate marketing that's all it takes for you to make a 6-figure income. Platinum membership. This is a popular membership here. You get 20% off all of your traffic for life. I'm going to send you 300 clicks here for just joining me here to your capture page that this team is going to make for you, okay? And then right here we have diamond, okay? And that's what I am. I'm a diamond. I'm a diamond membership here, a lifetime 30% off all orders. They just up the ante 40%. This is huge. So when you start at the diamond, which is the $5,000 product package, I'm going to send you 1,000 clicks to your capture page here. And that's it, folks. That's as easy as it gets. So be sure to check the link in the description. Be sure to smash subscribe, hit the bell, and be sure to check out the Easy Phone Money link in the description that can help you get free eyeballs just 10 minutes a day. All right, folks? I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.